Hey guys, my name's Allegra and I'm going to show you how to do a behind the back chi. So how I like to start this move is by starting with split time chi, and then when it gets to around your elbow crease on your right hand, I want you to pinch your elbow crease together, pendulum swing it out, and then you're going to grab it with your other hand and it's going to look like this. I'm going to show you from the other side as well. So, and then you're going to grab it with your elbow crease and bring it round. All right. So a good thing to do is to just practice grabbing it with one of your hands and pendulum swinging it like so. Getting used to the control and also swapping to your other hand or other arm. And don't worry if you hit yourself while you're learning. It's just to get yourself used to that movement. Alright, so the next part of the trick, once you've come around the back, I'm going to show you from this angle. You're going to bring your hand and basically grasp it similar to the way that your other hand is. So it's going to look like this. And the way I want you to position your body, once it comes around the back, I want you to arch your back inwards, poke your butt out, and that's the stance that you want to have, so it's going to be a lot smoother. And the way to do this chi backwards is you can just start, so every time it gets too close to your palm or your fingers, I want you to hit it back up to hit basically around about the halfway point of your back. And just practice as much as you can alternating. Giving your body a bit of a rotation will really help this, and making sure you've got a nice arch. It'll just create a really nice pathway for the dragon staff. Once you've had enough rolls of this, you can grab it with your other hand if you want and pendulum swing it in front and then restart split time chi. Hey guys, my name's Allegra. Thanks so much for joining. Until next time.